This is a top 5 altcoin, and your biggest question is, should you be buying this altcoin or should you be selling this altcoin right now? Well, in today's video, we're going to use facts, we're going to use evidence, we're going to use patterns, and I'm going to give you my opinion. Should it be a buy right now, or should you get out of the way and something devastating is about to happen? Let's get into it. Welcome, I'm Steve. Here we deliver honest, sponsorship-free TA with genuine value. Subscribe for a no BS approach that actually helps you. Subscribe. Here we are, Solana USD, and today we're on the 2-week chart. We've got price action above, RSI in the middle, and stochastic RSI at the bottom. Each are giving us extremely bold clues as to what we should be doing with Solana right now as we speak. One of the first things you may notice is that we have some green zones in price and some green zones in the RSI. Now, way back a couple of years ago, I gave you these green zones. Back here, when we were in February 24 and even in early 23, we created this green zone. And I simply said, when Solana is in this top green zone at the same time that it's in this green zone, it's a buy. So if we use those rules, you would have bought around $100 Solana here, and then it went from 100 to 300, and then you would have bought again here for a second time around March 25, also at $100, and then it went from 100 to where it is now. So that was before. This is now. If you somehow missed the $100 Solana, then you definitely need to make sure you're subscribed here, and you need to jump on my email list to join over 100,000 traders. That's where I put this information out completely for free. So if you're not there, go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Now, the $100 Solana is in the past, and you're wondering, well, what about now? If I missed the 100, is it too late? Is something good about to happen? Is something bad about to happen? I'm going to give you my opinion as right now, for me personally, would it be a stronger buy or a stronger sell? At the end of the video, that's what I'm going to give you. In order to get there, we're going to need to talk about the facts in these 3 areas: price, RSI, and stochastic RSI. And then I'll give my opinion. Let's start with price. Price is looking very healthy. What does that mean? Well, we had our previous all-time high back here in October 21. And so far, we've been met with heavy resistance at that zone. Very similarly to everything in crypto. It started with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's previous all-time high, around 70. When it got to around 70 this time, it was very tough to break through there. Same with altcoins. If you look at the entire altcoin market, it took more than 1,500 days to try to get above that level for the first time. It's very, very difficult to get above the level. That's what Solana is faced with as we speak. However, here's a clue. When it got up to that level, it fell down to this green zone. Now, this green zone wasn't just like close your eyes, draw a green zone, tell people to buy. I don't operate like that. We operate based on fact, logic, and market structure. And when you look left, which you need to do to find market structure, you can see clear as day that this green zone was an area of confluence. It was the support zone of September 21. It was the resistance zone of Feb 22. It was the resistance zone of December 23 and the support zone of April 24. It is the zone to look at when you're looking at Solana, period. What you like to see about said zone is all of these wicks. That means there was a ton of buying during this green zone. Now, it may have been just coincidence, but all of the people that bought may have been watching my bonus videos that go out on my email list. Because you can see, you can't make this up. Look at all the wicks. Smart money was buying, plain and simple. No hype, just facts. Subscribe and relax. Now, when we got into this green zone, it was holding support on what used to be our resistance. Number one thing we like to see in charts is exactly that. Healthy, sound market structure. Now, another way to look at the past, call it 500 days, This is an accumulation zone, meaning we had our bottoming, we had our double bottom, we had a huge move up, the huge move up into some area of resistance. We burst through it, started holding it as support, and we needed a cool off time. We had this huge move, from $18 all the way up to 200, and we just needed time to catch our breath. Plain and simple. And this is called an accumulation zone. And when you have an accumulation zone that's built healthy market structure, this is a thing of beauty. Now, what you've seen is we came into this zone and rallied back up only to get resistance from this 250 area-ish, which was our previous all-time high. That's not a concern because we fell back down to healthy market structure and just continued the accumulation zone. So price action is looking good. I mean, there's no red flags, there's no broken structure, there's no cause for concern. We're doing what is typically done during this phase of a market cycle. You have a huge run, you can build a accumulation zone. It's built on structure, and we still have our resistance zone. Pretty straightforward there. No real red flags yet. A lot of green flags showing for Solana with price action. Now let's get to the middle of our screen. What you see is since March 24, the RSI has sort of fallen off a cliff. What does that tell us? Well, the RSI is overbought, oversold. And typically you want to sell when we're up here and you want to buy when the RSI is low. Just keeping it really, really simple. So basically, as we've been in an accumulation zone, more and more people have been selling Solana. This is not my guess. This is not something I hope for. It's just what the charts are saying. We are clearly in an accumulation zone for about 500 days. And for in that same period, our RSI has been going down, which means more people are selling, which is unfortunate because that's not what you want to be doing during an accumulation zone that has built incredibly strong market structure. But I digress. We'll get to that part later in the video.
No hype, just facts. Subscribe and relax.
But what the RSI is doing is right here, March 25. Draw your attention there on the chart. March 25 candle, March 25 RSI, March 25 stochastic RSI cross. Huge. Now, when you dig into it, you can see March 25 candle. This huge wick here. This was one of the best buying opportunities. And if you just followed the strategy that I gave you, you would have bought their Solana at 100. But your question is, well, what do I do now if I miss that opportunity? And we're about to get to that. So March 25 was really the turning point. And so far, what we have on our hands is a stochastic RSI cross up. Still momentum to be had. We're trying to get above the green zone, and we're trying to get battle up into that area that we dealt with at our previous all-time high. And that's really what Solana is trying to do at the moment. So price action, looking good. We'll give it a green tick. The RSI is looking good. No major red flags. We give that a green tick. Stochastic RSI also looking good. But the bigger question is, well, this top 5 altcoin, what should people be doing right now? What would I be doing? For me personally, if I had some money that I wanted to throw into something, and I'm looking at this Solana chart right here, as you're looking at it, I'm looking at it, I'm looking at all the clues we just went through. Is it more of a buy or more of a sell? For me personally, right now, is it a sell? No. We have really healthy market structure. We have incredibly sound structure happening there. It's accumulation zone, clear as day. Most of the people are selling, please lend them a helping hand. Try to wake them up. But we have some momentum on our side. So right now, is it more of a buy or more of a sell? It's more of a buy for me at the moment. It's all green flags. We don't have a lot of red flags. The next major level for Solana to really excel and for a lot more money to come in is once it holds this 250 area as legitimate support with multiple candles on the 2-week time horizon closing above there, you're going to see this thing shoot up. And that's the next level that we'll talk about. Trade like a tourist or go with the pros. The FFA is where the real ones go. Link in description.